What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you was goody was good. It is another beautiful Friday. So guys, you know what time it is. It is a Conversion Pros payday, and it is also a MCA. I'm not MCA, but for those who are promoting MCA, it is MCA. But MyEcon, I apologize there. MyEcon payday, guys. So pretty much here, last couple videos I did shoot. I was actually shooting about an actual funnel, a new sales funnel, a new marketing system that you can pretty much utilize for free. Okay, and it has multiple income streams in it, guys. And the thing is that this marketing system was created to really keep you focused and allow you to make a lot of money. That's why it's called My Income Club, because you're in a club. You're in a club with the people that make good money and with a lot of different income streams that's trustworthy. So not a whole bunch of, fluff and stuff that's gonna, that really doesn't make sense, like apps and stuff like that, guys. I hate that stuff. But I like to talk about things that really is going to help you as far as marketing systems in the back office, as far as traffic sources in the back office, as far as educational products in the back office from the financial literacy standpoint, and also to the online marketing standpoint. They're going to teach you education, and that's the number one thing that people need when it comes to making money online. Making money online is an easy thing to do once you learn the skill. The skill is not hard to learn. It's just taking the time out to really, do something. Most people don't want to take 30 minutes out the day to just, educate themselves on autoresponders. Something that's very simple that can help you make a lot of money, that's going to be able to work for you on autopilot. And we're going to teach you how to do these type of things. We're going to teach you how to get paid all with one link. So that way you don't look like you're promoting multiple programs all over the place, guys. You really just need to be focused on saying, hey man, I'm going to be educating people financially and also showing you guys how to make instant commissions in the same time. So who would say no to that? Okay. Now, guys, for you guys that know me, like I said, I like to promote things that's going to help you get to the next level. Now, if you're looking for something, this straight up one-time deal, man, like I said, that's going to really show you something, then you definitely want to take a look into this marketing system, because this marketing system is the truth, man. When I mean it's the truth, it is the truth, man. I love it. I love the community as well, man, because we all come from MyEcon, and we made this better for a lot of MyEcon reps to be able to go out here and market their business and also show them how to make more money. Because MyEcon, we do make good money, and a lot of times the money is on the back end of MyEcon. But we want to show you, not only that you can make $50 commissions, but you can also make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, $2,000 commissions. So the thing is totally up to you as far as about how far you want to take this and where you want to go with this business here, guys. So I didn't really get to shoot a video yesterday. My daughter had to go back to the doctor so we can check on her lymphatic malformation. She's doing real good, guys. So everyone that gave us some prayers and stuff like that, I definitely appreciate it. She's doing real good. They're gonna want to do our next therapy in 6 months, so that way we can get her cheeks smaller. Guys, it's a beautiful thing. Like I said, it's going. Her first therapy went real well. It brought it down a little bit, so now they said they want to do a little bit more now, so that way it can make it bring down a little bit more. So God got his hands around me, and I'm going to continue to do my part as far as helping others, continue to be a blessing in any type of way that I can to others, guys, because I just, I believe in positive things. I believe in the law of attraction. I will get everything back that I put out. So, guys, it is a blessing here to see another day. It is a blessing for you guys to be able to hear my voice and for you guys to be able to watch this video. I definitely appreciate you. I definitely thank you for taking the time out to watch it. Click the link at the bottom. Hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell button, so that way you'll know everything that's going on whenever there's a new video released, especially if, there's information that I definitely want to drive to you and you're on my team. So, guys, have a beautiful and blessed Friday. Until the next video, this your boy, Jay. Peace.